delete a Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete a Facebook page. So for that, just simply open your Facebook account, and after that just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the top right corner of your mobile screen, and from there you will be able to see your Facebook page right at the top, which says navigate now. And after that just simply scroll down, and over here you will be able to see the option called settings and privacy. Just simply tap on it and just go to the settings option from there, and now just simply scroll down, and under the your information section you will be able to see the section called access and control. Just simply tap on it, and now it says that you have the option to manage your page status, so whether you want to deactivate your page or delete it permanently. Since I want to delete my page permanently, so I'm gonna select the second option and click on confirm. And now you have to select the option or the reason for which you are deleting your Facebook page. Just simply click on continue. And now in order to confirm your action, you need to enter your password and click on continue again. Now just enter your password and click on continue, and now it says that you are deleting this particular page along with your page name. Click on continue and click on delete page, and now as you can see that your Facebook page has been deleted successfully. So this is basically how simple it is to delete a Facebook page. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.